Let's put a trailer hitch on a BMW X3M comp. Not looking forward to taking this apart, but we gotta do it, so let's do it. Part that I'm not looking forward to. We need to get this little trim piece that goes over the wheel well popped out so we can get to two 8 mils that are underneath it. Yeah, if you pull it out slightly, you can get behind it and pop it out. For these, I had to add some extra painter's tape along here so that I didn't scratch anything, and I pried kind of outwards like this while trying to pull it out square in this direction. Same with here. Up here, I thought it was probably the same type of clip because we're kind of stuck here, and I don't know if you can see it. There's the 8 mil we need to remove right there, and there's a lip here. So we've got to pull it out at least this far to be able to get to that. Under here, it's a different type of clip. It's a push pin. So I would suggest probably on the next one, I'm going to put some tape a little higher and attack it at a little bit steeper of an angle right here and pop it out that direction. That way the clip comes out square. But yay, scary part on that side's done. Time for the next side. We'll see how that goes. I've got the fascia unhooked. It's pretty well ready to unplug and pull off. Let me give you some tips that I found, some lessons learned. I started by unhooking these little clips first because those seem to be the tightest place with the most interference and the most, they were holding things rigid more than anything else. So I figure if I get those loose first, then other things will be more compliant. So to do that, there is a little clip down here. It kind of grabs up on this little lip from below. You can get a screwdriver in there, either push downwards on that to release it, or you can slightly pry on this, but don't do that too hard. It's not that hard to work them out. You do have to apply continuous force and then kind of pull them out. They do hold it tight, so be aware you're going to have to kind of maneuver that out while you're releasing the clips. After that, I came down to this corner and I used my trim tool to pry outwards. To me, it was easiest to start on this edge and kind of pry them outwards a little bit to the front of the little slots that it engages. That seemed to work the best. After I got the first one out, I was able to apply more tape along here. I would suggest doing so. If you weren't aggressive like me on taping the upper seam, I would probably do that too. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This one was the most difficult because there was still some engagement up here that I had to work through. I actually ended up being able to come in through this angle with a screwdriver, a very small one, and lift up a little bit on this tab from below while pulling it out. So that was the hardest. Be sure to tape excessively here so that you don't scratch anything up. Last thing you want to do is hurt your paint. I don't know that I need you to remove your section yet. I'm going to do mine.
Mine's coming with yours. I'm just giving it what it wants.
See the clip. Friend, release. What the heck? Got it. What from wow to what? What do you think?
It does not look good.
No? What do you think?
It looks bad.
That looks bad. Did we do a bad thing?
I think that bug
You don't know what to say, do you? It'll be faster this way, though. It's less weight. Don't you think?
What?
Don't you think that'll make it faster?
Put that car's bumper onto that?
No, that car still has its bumper. What do you think?
That car's white, I know.
Yeah, the cars are both white. You're right. Let's go get in the car.